ERP always comes, with uh, the latest in the versions. I just showed you that how ERP evolved. So when we are talking about the evolution of ERP, they are basically working on the next generation skills, that is on cloud building. And ERP always enhances the productivity of any enterprise. Okay. Then you have the mobility and flexibility. Then the other added advantage is the streamlining. So when we talk about processing and efficiency, it basically automates certain business processes. So whenever I say automate, let us make it a little more, a little more understanding whenever we talk about automation. Right? So what does automation do? So say there is a manual job that we are doing today, right? And then you bring in a particular software or a particular machine that does the same job without any human intervention or without any human effort. So that is what automation is. So you build something that basically reduces human effort. That is what automation is. Right? And then the most primary thing, the next benefit of ERP is to save money. When you put everything under one platform, you save your cost for maintaining different accounts. You save your cost for getting and generating proper reports. You save your cost for handling different processes. Next comes customer service. You can provide excellent customer service because you have everything that you need on your system in one particular platform. Why do we say it fosters growth? Because with a particular system that gives you an insight of the entire business in one go, it provides you the opportunity to increase the business to a better content. And the next is forecasting and reporting. Here you have certain logos of the major companies that are using MRP. As a matter of fact, you pick up any company, they have at least some uh, ERP maintaining tool. So it need not be a multi-billion or a global company, even a small company. I believe you know about this milk brands called Amul, Mother Dairy, and all. Even they are using it. A list of the ERP system providers. Okay, so I believe you guys are aware of some of the companies that are here, or you might be knowing all of them. So SAP is one of the ERP solutions. So it is a company that is providing one of the ERP solutions. So SAP was founded in 1972 in Germany, like I said, and the full form for SAP is systems, applications, and products in data processing. But do not get carried away by the last part that just says data processing, because SAP is a bigger product than just about data processing. Okay, so over the years, SAP has grown, it has evolved. Like I said, that right now SAP is deeply invested into cloud integration and cloud technologies, and they are moving their solution from an on-premise solution, something that needs to be installed on a particular system, to cloud. I mean, although this transformation has been going on from 2014, but not all SAP clients have moved from their on-premise solution to the cloud solution. The main advantage of using SAP is that your company has a very high level of integration among all individual applications, and it guarantees consistency of data throughout the system and the company itself. So no matter how complex your business is, no matter how big your business is, SAP has a solution for it. So this is how the evolution of SAP ERP took place. So they started with the R2 functionality, then moved to R3, then business suite, and finally, as you see here, we have the cloud integration. So since we were all in IT, I believe some of you might be knowing about the concept of Java, right? So Java is an object-oriented language, but what is the architecture behind the language Java? It is a three-tier architecture. So you have the portal in front of you. In order to generate details in the portal, you have an application layer, right? So that application layer works and provides the views that you see on the portal. And there is a third layer that sits at the bottom of everything, that is database, right? Where you have the data stored. So that is the concept of an R3 technology. The base of SAP is actually a Java application. So the build of SAP, the background of it is a Java application. So that is why when we talk about the architecture of SAP, right, it follows the same sort, the same processes as that of Java. But now it is taking a step further. Not now, at least like 5 or 6 years from now. It started its journey to a more enhanced kind of an environment wherein it provided collaboration and it provided better benefits, and introducing the top layer or the next generation skills. So there are different functional modules in SAP, and the list that you see here covers each and every aspect, of the business today, right? So it's starting from financial accounting to material management, sales distribution, logistics. Logistics is nothing but kind of how you move your goods, where you keep them, and how do you store them, etc., etc. Into detail of this, but it is just that the different functional modules that I have been talking about, they are segregated in SAP under the options of analytics.